I'm being fully real with you guys. I'm being fully authentic. This is the truth. Listen to me. Trust me. No, you are a manipulative creature. We know what you're up to, Channon Rose. Hey free woman. So today's video was highly requested, and I was just so disgusted and disturbed by what I saw that there's no way I was going to let this pass by. So here we are with that video. So before we get into the video, go and check out my website, thebananagirl.com. I'm doing some work on it at the moment. Definitely check out my ebook, my new lunchbox ebook. It's getting rave reviews, 5-star reviews. The link is in the description below. So on to the video. Who's it about? It is about Channon Rose. So I have resisted giving this vile creature any of my attention because she just thrives on the views. That's what she wants, and she wants the money. There's not much to Channon Rose, you know. She is an empty vessel as far as I'm concerned. So back Pimple Dimples asks, please do a video on Channon Rose. There is plenty of drama about her lately. She is now a vegan and a former star who did videos crushing small with heels. And I'm like, what is wrong with this world? I don't want to live here anymore. I don't want to live in a world where people are doing this to animals. You know, it's just sickening. It is so vile and sickening that I can't literally get my head around it. I don't have words. I have a lot of words, but I don't have words, if you know what I mean. Okay, so as I said, Channon Rose. So I have a bit of a backstory with Channon Rose. You know, she was sucking up to me for years. She's like, you turned me vegan. I love your videos. Come and check out mine. I'm your biggest fan. That sort of thing. But then in 2016, when Tana Mongeau attacked me, she jumped on that wagon like a lot of these, you know, plant-based posers did, just throw me under the bus because it's good for the views and, you know, it brings in the money. So they did that. They wanted to go with Tana. So after that, I was like, yeah, I mean, I already felt the LA fakeness, the LA wannabe famous fakeness of Channon Rose, but that just confirmed it for me. So she made some videos, smash or pass. I can see my name here freely. Yeah, so it was quite, you know, disrespectful of her to do that when I had never done anything to her and only brought her to the most amazing lifestyle on earth. But anyway, that's a bit of the backstory. So she made this video. I'm going to get to that soon. But this video is probably going to get taken down soon, so you might want to go and watch it. I mean, it's just Channon Rose crushing live crawdad, and a crawdad is essentially same as a crawfish, a crayfish. And crayfish are amazing, okay? Crayfish are amazing creatures, highly sophisticated animals. They can breathe under the water and on land, and they can live up to 20 or even 30 years. Some people say 8 years, but they can live a long time, and they're just amazing, very important animals for the ecosystem. So when I saw this video, I mean, I couldn't watch this full video because it is just so horrible, okay? This one here, it is so horrible that I was like, are you like a human being? Do you have compassion? Like, what is wrong with you? I mean, even before I went vegan, when I used to eat animals, I would never, ever contemplate doing this to an animal. This just tells you what kind of person she is. And yes, it's in the past, but who would do this? What kind of person? For money. You know, and apparently this guys get off on it. So she tweeted this in response to people accusing her of animals, but there was no proof at this stage. So Shannon's like, oh shit, you know, there's no proof. Okay, no one's got any proof of this video. I'm just gonna lie my way out of it. She said, please make them show me proof. So at this stage, there was no proof, okay? No one had the proof, but someone came up with the proof, didn't they? And yes, is 100% Channon Rose, as you can see in the video yourself. You know, it's her. So, okay, she claims that it did not happen, all right? And this is a video she put up before the crushing of the crayfish video.
So this screenshot has been circulating around the internet, and it's been posted by many gossip sites and drama channels, and they have made false claims about me, saying that I'm abusing animals in these videos. And I really just want to put the rumors at rest. And so in today's video, I am going to be addressing all of this. And not only that, but I'm going to be proving to you with the actual videos that they're trying to claim where they see me kill animals. I'm going to show you that that's not the case. In fact, this is the video here, and I can't post the whole thing on this channel. It'll get taken down, but I am going to be posting it, and I'll tell you more about it later on where you can find the full video to watch yourself.
I got that good life.
Ah, shut up.
Hey you guys, it's Channon Rose, and in today's video I'm going to be addressing the drama, multiple rumors that are going around, why I deleted my last video, and just kind of addressing everything that I've been trying to kind of just ignore and let blow over. Unfortunately, it's not...
She is highly manipulative, okay? Just watch this girl. She's like... she's super, super manipulative. She just lie, and she can be very, very believable when she lies.
Blowing over is just getting worse and worse each day that I try to ignore it and like let it be put to rest. But there are certain people and channels out there that are putting out videos that are so far from the truth that I just felt like I needed to come on here and defend myself, because it's gotten to the point where not only is it putting my family in danger, but it's also affecting my mental health.
Oh, poor Channon Rose. Poor Channon Rose, the victim. Oh.
I'm not saying this for sympathy, so please don't think that that's why I'm telling.
Then why are you saying it? Come on, just get on with it.
And just like let it blow over. But like at this point, it's just gotten so bad to the point where, like I said, it's affecting my mental health.
So okay. Yeah, we heard it before.
Just want to be real with you guys and let you...
I just want to be real with you guys. This kind of sounds familiar. Sounds like Elise. Sounds like Yorvana or Vanna. Two of the biggest liars.
Know the truth and facts and literally show you the videos myself.
Okay.
Obviously, I'm not going to be able to put them on here because my channel will get taken down completely. But I am going to put those videos on my Patreon, and I'm...
Oh, you're going to put them on a Patreon, so you have to pay to see the videos. But she's not putting that video up. No. She didn't put the crushing crayfish up.
But I have never killed an animal, and I have never abused animals.
So that is creepy that she's doing this close-up as she's lying, straight up lying, because she's like, they're going to believe me if I, make this like this slow zoom in or something because it's going to be more convincing. She's lying to you, and we have the proof. This is just blatant lies.
And what they do in these videos, you get a script, you read from the script, and you say it in like a sexy voice, like in a bikini, and then you wear these heels and you put the heels down and pretend like you're stepping on stuff, and you put in sound effects of like, crushing bones and
Sound
cats
effects.
Meowing.
She's just so full of unbelievable, okay? She's really talking her way around this because she's like a politician. She's practiced. She's an actress, okay? Don't believe a word she says. But keep in mind, this video came out before the crayfish crushing video surfaced. So before it gets taken down, go and see it, and you will see. I couldn't finish it, okay? And you know that I watch a lot of animal cruelty videos. I could not finish this. It was so disturbing, okay? So go and see if you can finish it and see what she is really like. And these guys also watched it.
I saw the pictures. I thought she was just stomping it out.
They look
like maybe they were dead already.
That's
and
what
she stomped on them. But in the clip, it was her teasing, like with her foot, like, oh, what are you gonna do? And the crawfish is like this. And then she steps on it and crushes it, and you can see the crawfish or crawdaddy, whatever some people call it. And it was like writhing in pain, and she would lift her foot up, start giggling, mind you. She would giggle, and then she would crush it again. So that's some sick shit. That's some sick shit.
No, there's a lot of things that I don't like, but animals and like
Nasty.
it's hard to classify that as an animal. It's not really
You can eat it.
Yes, a crayfish is an animal, okay? Just so you know the definition of an animal, okay? The definition: a living organism that feeds on organic matter, typically having specialized sense organs and nervous system and able to respond rapidly to stimuli. And in this video, you will see how true that is. They have a central nervous system, they feel pain. Anyway, we're going to get back to these guys, but the fact is they were live crayfish as well. Live crayfish under her high heel. And these high heels were then sold to some sick individual so they can just get off to it. That is how sick this world is becoming. And I just, ugh.
There's no video of me actually killing animals because I've never done that. I never would. It's illegal.
So even Channon said herself that there is a law against this. So why is she not in jail? She should be going to jail. I don't care if it's in the past. If you do sick, vile shit like this that is against the law, then you should go to jail. It's that simple. And I don't know all the ins and outs of law, but my lawyer friend does, that vegan lawyer, and I'm going to give you a link in the description below to her channel. She's going to do a breakdown of this case. I'm not sure if it's going to be ready today, but in a couple of days, so definitely go and subscribe there and find out whether she should be in jail or not, because I believe she should.
People might not like me because I've done stuff like...
She is just such a goddamn liar. Channon, we have the video of you doing it. Like, this is what I just cannot believe. You cannot believe a word that comes out of this woman's mouth. Yeah, it may have been in the past, but she's lying about actually doing it. She's saying that she would never do something like that. You know, if she came out and said, okay, you know, I did do it, I did some really horrible things in the past, then it would be better. It still wouldn't be good because it shows something about something really deep and disturbing about her personality. Something really, really deep and disturbing that you cannot ignore. You cannot erase that, okay? Anyone who is willing to do that is sick in the head. I don't care what they say. It's their actions that count. And we saw her actions. We saw how disgusting she was in this video to do that to this poor, defenseless, living crayfish. And so these guys go on to talk about animals, veganism. Let's check it out for a moment.
No, just because you eat animals doesn't mean you want to see them be abused.
Absolutely.
Like, you would.
Just because you eat animals doesn't mean you want to see them be abused. And I totally agree with that. You know, before I was vegan, there is no way in heck I would inflict intentional pain on another animal, or I would want to see that. That's just completely sick. The people who do that and the people who view that and get off on that, they are some of the most vile people in this world. And I don't even know what to say about it, okay? So I agree with him on that.
I didn't want to go down to the factory and watch a cow get probed.
No.
So, apparently some people might.
No, girl. I swear I was going to be vegan after I watched the cow videos and the pig videos.
How long did that last?
Oh, girl, like a good week. It was a week.
Oh. You did better than me. When I watched it in school, I went to McDonald's when I got out.
I can't. That stuff hurts my heart. Like,
It's
children, animals, old people, like, you don't do that. And then shit.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, like, you know, animals are some of the most defenseless, harmless. I mean, like, obviously some of them are not harmless, but the animals that we have turned into food animals are some of the most gentle creatures on the planet. That's how we were able to dominate them. And for them to exploit them, and, you know, the treatment that they get in these slaughterhouses is just horrible. Like you said, you know, this guy, the blonde guy, doesn't seem to give, he's just totally disconnected. But this other guy, he's like, that hurts my heart. It hurts my heart too. You know, like, for him not to be vegan now is really, really disappointing. He needs to step up and, you know, quit the excuses. They both saw it and they're both ignoring it. This goes on. And when you pay the money for these products, for these animal products, you are saying this animal mistreatment is okay, this abuse. You are funding that, okay? Just because you don't see it and you're not doing it yourself and you're not getting off on it or whatever, doesn't mean it's not happening. It doesn't mean you're not supporting it. So make the connection. Okay, so there's also another drama going on with Channon. Let's check it out.
No, because I'm not going to give much detail, but I know some people that actually know her in real life, and she was keeping up the same story that she was telling the internet.
The same story.
So she was lying to people in her personal life.
She was lying to people in her personal life. So no, I don't think that she thinks that she f***ed up at all.
Wait a minute. So she basically put it out like this guy was stalking her. So she literally told the people in her personal life that, like, are, like, friends and relatives.
Yep.
She was...
That were concerned and reached out to her when she was crying on her Instagram story.
This is the sort of girl we're dealing with, okay? Completely fake. So just remember that when you see her stories coming up, and when you see the videos where she's like, I'm being fully real with you guys. I'm being fully authentic. This is the truth. Listen to me. Trust me. No, you are a manipulative, vile creature. We know what you're up to, Channon Rose. Okay? Leave animals alone. Yes, you did it in the past. I don't even know what you're doing now because you lie so much. For all we know, she could be still doing these videos because she lies about it. And apparently she's going to put out a video about the crayfish now. She found out and now she has to own up to it. Don't believe a word she says, okay? She is going to be just playing you. This is like she's just acting. She is an actress. So remember that. Okay, so that's my video for today. I don't even know how to end this because I'm so disappointed in humans, and I know not all humans are like that, obviously, and there is enough of them out there for this fetish stuff to be popular, and a person who does what she did is just sickening, absolutely sickening, in my opinion. Okay, that's my video. I'll see you next video.